food to them closer and together. Okay. Go to mama. He loves auntie also. See?
No.
Chester. Oh.
Say hello to everyone.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. Difficult for all of us to come in the frame now since we have one more baby in the house. Hey, look, Fish, say hi to everybody.
Hello everyone.
Say hi, Chester. We are actually uploading a vlog after a very, very long time. Only because we have been busy with this little fellow. See, baby, take him.
Wait, I'll take him.
Hey, good to. Okay. Go to mama. So we've been busy with this little fellow. So yeah, we'll go ahead. We already had our breakfast. I'll just show you what all we had. Baby made uttapa for us. So now she gave us hot uttapa. Now she's preparing for lunch. And as I said, since we have a baby in the house, things are a little bit different now. Very difficult to record. You just saw her right now how the scenario is. He's jumping here and there. And of course, there are a lot of other things with regards to a baby. Potty, peeing here and there, cleaning, eating. That only is going on. Putting him to sleep. It takes a lot of work. And that's the reason why we couldn't record anything. But honestly, we are so happy that we have him in our family. Really very cute, really amazing.
Say hello to everyone. Hello. Hey, Guddu, Chestu, baby. All mako puttu. My puttu.
So routine is again the same. We've been doing the same thing, washing clothes, utensils, wahi chalu hai. And today I have a few clients meeting. Season has begun already. In case you haven't watched any of my previous shorts with regards to emceeing, please go check it out. Put up the link. It's either here or here. Please go and check it out. And Hriday's holidays have begun as well. He is enjoying.
Front teeth have fallen also.
Show khidki. Khidki. Window has got bigger. So that's good. New windows will come in. Correct, Hriday? Yes. So we'll keep you updated on what's happening today. Nothing fascinating to do today. Just the normal stuff. But we wanted to, keep you guys in the loop of what's happening around. So we are making this vlog. So Bagu, Aajsa Divas Kasa Zato. Chester is here. Coco is here. Where is Charlie? Charlie is there. Charlie is here. So the bond between them is actually growing. It's actually very slow, the process, obviously, because Charlie Coco have never seen a dog before. And when Charlie and Coco came in, they also were like 1.5, 2 months old. And so is Chester, who is just 52 days. And so to get them along, it's taking a bit of time, and the process is definitely slow. It won't happen in a day. Like Rome wasn't built in a day, but they're getting used to. Earlier, Charlie Coco used to do that towards Chester, but now they have stopped doing that. They all eat their food together as well. We'll show that to you. And maybe what are you making lunch? What are you making for lunch? Currently I'm making food for them. Currently I'm making their food. Yeah, they are also hungry, so we'll prepare their food. See their bowls. Oh, you have put warm water already?
Yeah, be careful.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, what's it? Coco has come. It's food time. Who wants food? Coco. Charlie also came. You were in the other room. When did you go this side, Charlie? Huh? Making it lukewarm now. And then we put in. So this big basket is Charlie Coco's food. Small one is...
There's a big packet that I had to carry it somewhere the other day, so we
had removed and we filled it in that. Yeah. And what is this, baby, that you're putting?
This is good for their digestion.
Correct. Digiton. That is good for the cat as well as the dog. So that's why I'm putting for Charlie Coco. you also can put it. This was advised to us by our vet.
Coco, wait.
So earlier we used to give Charlie Coco cat food directly, but then our vet advised us not to do that. She was like, soak it in warm water first and then give. That is their.
Actually, that's how we give the puppy food. But then, since she said it is now, summers, so to avoid any dehydration, you should give a bit of wet food to them. So she said you can, do all these things. This though I'm adding for my happiness.
What happened to you here?
I only hurt myself.
Why are you doing that?
I was doing something. मेरा ही नाखून मेरे को लग गया.
Coco, Charlie, Chester.
He will not come.
Hey, he's come. I called him. See?
No.
Chester, see?
He will not come.
Hey, Coco went and touched him first time.
See, all three are here
Yeah.
because the food is here. So,
Hey, good juice.
Charlie and Coco's food is good. They can eat because उनको इतना soak करने की
Correct.
जरूरत नहीं है.
Correct.
पण चेस्टरचा थोडा वेळ लागतो because
Charlie, Coco.
it takes like 10-15 minutes to let
Correct.
it happen. Till then I'll have my tea and uttapam.
Uttapam. Nice. It was very tasty. Loved it. Who wants food? It's food time. It's food time. Arey, I am not getting. Mama's getting food.
Take Charlie, Coco.
Chester, come. They're enjoying their food. They're not so used to having this, but now we have made it a point, and there comes the other baby. So, to make sure that they have a good bond, we have started serving food to them closer and together, and this is how they eat, all three of them together. Of course, sometimes Coco gets too greedy and goes to have, and same with Chester, he also wants to know what they are having. Chester, eat your food only.
1 second, baby. I'll just.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Chester, eat your food. Chester doesn't want to eat.
He wants me to sit.
Sit with him.
Come, Babu. Just to. Come, Raja.
Yeah, Chester wants Pooja everywhere. He's grown attached to her. But Charlie Coco come to me only in the night. And this is Chester's pee mat. We are training him to pee there.
Acha, if anyone knows how to keep it in a way that it sticks to the floor, please let us know, because it just keeps flying everywhere.
Correct. We've stuck a tape, but still not working.
Yeah, or you all know anything else, any other pee.
How can we train?
Pads,
Yeah.
Because this one keeps flying here and there.
Correct.
We put a tape and all, but we have to remove it when the maid comes to clean and all.
Correct. खाया अभी मस्त झोप रहा है. Where is Charlie Coco? They've gone inside, I guess.
They are also sleeping.
Sleeping. Chester, see who's come. Auntie's come. He usually runs after auntie.
Wait till she gets the bucket.
बकेट. हाँ, बकेट आएगा तो आंटी के पीछे पीछे.
Waiting for what? I've come already.
auntie also. Always after auntie and his bucket. Eventually, when I couldn't record that, next time I will. Chester, no biting auntie. हाँ पकड़ के रखो उसको ऐसा अलाउ मत करो. हाँ मार मार हाँ गुड ऐसे ही सीखेगा वो. slowly. Hey, pause the video, please.
सही सही कहना गलत.
Who's it, Charlie? Nice. No, nice boy. Nice.
See, Charlie, who's it? Chester.
Chester,
It's
Baba.
Chester.
Chester, Baba. Chester. With time. Today this much is enough, I guess. Go. Go to mama, go. Go to mama. Go. Giju. Hodlo putu. Go to mama, go.
What hodlo means?
Hodlo means my big baba.
Raja
Big,
beta.
like, become big, no, sir. My Charlie. I keep Charlie now. My Chalu. My Charlie. See, are you sitting there with you?
She's a good auntie. Good.
Charlie. And see this baby. Baby is sleeping. Sheep.
ये गए गाई माझ्या चेष्टूला दूध दे. हात्रे कुत्ते
What? Athri kutra, what? What?
आले माझ्या राजा जोजू को जोजू आली माझ्या सोनूला जोजू आली जोजू को जोजू.
No, wants to play now.
To play. You want to play? What do you want to do? Oh, Chestu. वो आवाज कर रहा है ना बेब्लेड का.
Nah, he wants to play with Beyblade. He
Play with
plays.
Beyblade. Want to play with Beyblade?
They all play. Charlie Coco also come
Go
in.
play. Go. Let's play with Beyblade. Go. Okay. Play with them. Go.
ए घर में इसको छड्डी नहीं है क्या रे?
Boxers पहना है रे.
ये दूसरा कार्टून.
Always inside.
Be careful, but when you're spinning it, it's not hit him.
Go, Charlie.
Charlie will want to play with this plant.
You show. Play.
Tester.
Such a... Stop it, come on, stop it. Chester, go. Stop it. Hey, डरपोक. ए इतना लाड़ प्यार क्यों हो रही है? हाँ इतना लाड़ प्यार क्यों? हेलो खाने दे अकेला.
Not eating.
हैबिट बन जाएगा फिर यही. Eat.
Fish and cat, ना?
खा रहे हैं ना?
Now eat on your own. Take. Come. Now eat on your own.
ये भी आएगा अभी slowly. Baby, would you like to have chicky? Hriday, would you like to have chicky? Oh, you're in the washroom. Oh, I didn't know. Sorry. Okay. चलेगा.
Yes, Chester.
Chester sleeping here. चिक्की किधर रखा? किधर है चिक्की 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 चिक्की? बेबी चिक्की किधर रखा है तूने? Here it is, chicky. So guys, this is where I end the vlog. Did you like the chicky?
I loved it.
He loved it, even I loved it. House is a bit in a mess, but then we are cleaning. So we're going to end the vlog here now. Of course, the continuation of the vlog will be in the next vlog. So you need to stay tuned. So also hota आमचा अर्धा vlog, अर्धा दिवस or अर्धा vlog, whatever you say. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा
कमेंट करा, शेअर करा
आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.